guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone!
And today we are going to be making Valentine's Day cake pops. These are really easy and they don't take a lot of work or really anything at all. They're made from a boxed cake mix, but we're just going to show you how exactly to bake them, how to dip them, and we're also going to show you how to use a kit. This is a certain kit made by Cakes of Eden. They're also our sponsors of this video. So if you'd like to get the same kit that we used in this video or any other great baking materials, then check the link at the top of the description.
Also leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is just prepare a cake mix, your favorite. We're doing chocolate, but just prepare it like the directions say on the box. Okay, you want to spray your mold with cooking spray and then put about a half a tablespoon in each heart. Maybe not even quite that much, just to the top of the mold. Okay, then you want to spray your top mold. And then we're going to push it together and go ahead and put it in the oven. Bake at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so we're ready to take the top off. Now we have to let them cool. You can even put them in the freezer to cool them down too. But we cooked these baked them 12 minutes at 350. If your molds are bigger than this, then of course it'd take a little more time. We want to say a big thank you to Cakes of Eden. They're sponsoring this video for us today. And they send you everything you need for the cake pops in this box. And they also have a lot of other amazing utensils that you can purchase. We'll put the link to the online store in the top of the description. Okay, so our little hearts are cooled down. We trimmed them up a little. You want to dip it in your chocolate. We've got white chocolate. And put it in the middle of the cake pop. So you just keep doing this until they all have sticks, and then we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Okay, once they're cooled, then you want to dip them in your chocolate or your white chocolate. And then you can put them on your cake pop stand that comes with the kit. And if you want sprinkles on them, we were doing a few for Valentine's Day, so we're going to do the red, but we'll try some other ones too.
Okay guys, that's it for our cake pop video. We think they turned out really great and they were super easy to make. They didn't take us much time at all. And they'll be great for your Valentine's Day parties or as a gift to someone or just to have for yourself. And also another big thanks to Cakes of Eden for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out in the description. And also make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye.